Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the copy layer so you won't lose the original. Open the image and duplicate the background immediately. Once done, inspect the text area at 100% 200% zoom to judge texture and nearby patterns. Select the most appropriate tool now, patch, clone stamp, or content-aware fill, because choosing correctly at the outset saves time. Make a rough selection around the text, keeping some surrounding pixels included so the algorithm has context to sample from. This step sets the stage for a clean removal. Now remove the text in controlled passes. Start with content-aware fill for large, varied backgrounds because it synthesizes surrounding texture automatically. If edges look soft or repeating, switch to the patch tool to drag a matching patch into place, or use clone stamp for sharp edges. Sample nearby pixels frequently. Make small strokes and adjust brush hardness and opacity to blend. Alternating tools helps fix artifacts. Once you've filled the region, toggle visibility to compare with the original and refine any mismatched patterns or tones. Finish by refining texture and lighting so the edit is invisible. Sample colors with the eyedropper and use soft brushes to clone tiny details, then apply gentle dodge and burn to match highlights and shadows. Once blended, use a small Gaussian blur of 0.52px where seams remain, and sharpen selectively if you lost detail. If something looks off, undo the last few steps, refine your selection, and resample from different source areas. Repeated small fixes beat one heavy-handed pass when restoring natural appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.